step, you have run, run, run. Then you have walk, walk, cha, cha, lock. So just remembering this structure, that's point number one. So try that. So you have a rock, step, you have a run, 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 you have a walk, walk, cha, cha, lock. So try it by yourself, this section. So going with the right leg back, you have a rock, step, run, 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 excellent, walk to me, walk, cha, cha, lock. And now do that section and say, repeat after me, say rock, step, run, 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 excellent, say step, step, cha, cha, lock. Very good. And the last but not the least, timing. You have a 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1.
Okay.
And last but not the least, rhythm value. We have a slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. And the tips to improve, number one tip here is to keep the correct Latin posture, competitive posture, which is tummy in, chest up. So as you're going back, 2, you have your tummy in, chest over. So you don't want to be here. You want to constantly be over your feet. 3, and I hear this posture here, being over your feet. Run, run, 1. Having this posture over your feet. 2, 3, cha, cha, 1. And the last point, it's as you know your step, as you have your beautiful posture, is to do a little bit Cuban motion, which is going from muscle to bone, from your shoulder through the hip into the heel. So going and feeling that bone action, and 2, and there, and 3, and using that and groundness to turn. And here, maybe your heels is up on cha-cha, but still squeeze your shoulder to hip. Cha, cha, 1. So we always have action in between. We're not only doing step. Now here, into bone. And 2, and pinning yourself. Feeling the heel on the ground. And 3, and cha, cha, 1. So this is the layers to make this section look very good. And 2, and 3, and cha, cha, 1, and 2, and 3, and cha, cha, 1.